Welcome to Taktik Airsoft. So what we have here is a 3D printer, and it's just completed printing out a new rail. So what we're going to be doing is basically installing a rail on a traditional M4. That way, allowing us to take this traditional M4 and put on modern accessories. So having installed our rail, we're now going to install our angled foregrip. It's a brand new rail, so it's a little stiff right off the bat. So there we go. We're going to line it up to find the proper hole. There we go. And that is done. So basically at this point, what we've installed was a simple rail. But with the 3D printer, in the future we'll be able to print out more complex designs, bringing in better features to already feature-rich products.